bite it.
So this is investor.gov. How do you protect your investments? Fraud. So I figured that a great target audience would be females over 60.
Mm. Females over 60.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're so vulnerable.
to to getting online scams and their
Yeah,
husbands locking them out of their finances when they
yeah,
croak.
yeah.
So that one course I thought of would be an easy one to put together and start Facebooking. Once I get this all down, I need my voice shit to show up and start practicing on my voice so I can start spitting this stuff out.